Boy spiked, just check the manual.
Echo 20, he was spiked. He has been spiked a couple of times, continuing eastbound, 201. And he just tried to hit a pedestrian officer trying to spike him. We have charges of aggravated assault. He's going to get off the freeway. Chopper, can you call it at 3200 West? Going through the red light at 35 and 27th, it was being held by marked vehicles coming up by the police department. 3650 south, he's down to about 40. Be ready for him to bail on a 2-block containment every direction. Continuing southbound, we're down to 35 miles an hour. Beware, he is armed sometimes. Okay, pit maneuver right in front of the city hall. Pit maneuver right in front of the city hall. Hey, back off.
We're going 1082, going 1082.
Are we going 1082?